It's about to get a little extra. A little extra what? Well, Cricut just launched the Cricut Joy Extra. So if you really like the portability of the Joy, if you already own one or were planning to own one, Cricut just came out with the Cricut Joy Extra. The Extra allows you to do print and cut, which the Joy doesn't. They just came out with some new material as well. They have printable iron-on for light and dark fabric. They have waterproof stickers in transparent, holographic, white, and white holographic. They also have the smart label for this new machine. They have printable vinyl that has already been there, paper sticker. They also have new smart material for the Cricut Joy Extra. And then here, we're just gonna go take a look at the new machine itself. The new machine, the Cricut Joy Extra, is in white. It's slightly bigger than the regular Joy. And once you open the box, it comes with a little kit that shows you how to set up and some sample sheets for you to start and register your machine. It also has a little portable pick for you to use for weeding. So you don't even need to buy your own weeding tool if you don't want to. And to get started, you would take out the package that came in the box and set it up. Once you set it up, you'll find these vinyl sheets that are in there, and you just follow the instructions on screen. Can't wait!